Hi everyone! Ever wondered how to stop a specific app from using your internet bandwidth or sending data in the background? Whether it's for privacy, saving data, or stopping annoying updates. Today I'll show you the professional way to block any Windows app from the internet using the wf.msc command. Let's dive in. Most people think the Windows Firewall is just a pop-up that appears when installing software. But in reality, Windows Firewall is one of the most powerful network control tools built directly into Windows. Using it, you can block any application from accessing the internet, control inbound and outbound connections, create advanced network rules, manage app-level internet permissions, and the best part? You don't need to install any third-party software. The example we will use for this explanation is blocking internet access for the Firefox browser. As you can see, the browser is connected to the internet and working without any problems. Let's begin with the steps to block internet access for Firefox. First, press Windows plus R, then type wf.msc and press Enter. This opens Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. This is the advanced professional version of the Windows Firewall. Before we continue, there's one very important thing you need to understand. Inside the firewall, you'll find inbound rules, outbound rules. Inbound rules control connections coming into your computer. Outbound rules control connections going out from your applications to the internet. Since we want to stop Firefox from accessing the internet, we'll use outbound rules. And this is where many users make mistakes. Now from the left panel, click Outbound Rules. Then from the right side, click New Rule. A new window will appear. Choose Program, then click. Next, select this program path. Now browse to Firefox. Usually the path is Partition C, then the Program Files folder, then the Mozilla Firefox folder, then the executable file, firefox.exe. After selecting the executable file, click Next, then choose Block the connection. Now this is extremely important. Make sure all profiles are enabled, domain, private, and public. Then click Next. Give the rule a name such as Block Firefox. Finally, click Finish. And just like that, Firefox is now blocked from accessing the internet. Now let's test it. I'll open Firefox. As you can see, the browser itself still opens normally, but websites no longer load. And this is an important distinction. The application itself does not crash. It simply loses network access. This can be extremely useful for preventing automatic updates, reducing bandwidth usage, blocking telemetry and tracking, running apps offline. If you want to restore internet access later, go back to Outbound Rules. Find the rule we created, right-click it, then choose Disable Rule or Delete, and the application will regain internet access immediately. And that's how you can block internet access for any program in Windows without installing any external software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which application you want to block next. And if you want more advanced tutorials about blocking online games, monitoring network activity, or advanced Windows Firewall configurations, Tell me in the comments and I'll cover them in future videos.